Are you struggling in physics or math? Get boring in learning of them? Or you feel so difficult to understand the basic concept? Then you are in right place. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, Phoenix World. I know that tackling complex theories, equations, and concepts can sometimes feel overwhelming. But don't worry, you're not alone. This channel is created specifically for students like you, those who are eager to learn, curious about the deeper workings of the world, and ready to dive into the secrets of physics and math. Our mission here is simple, to break down every theory and concept in detail, step by step, so you can truly understand the why and how behind every formula. We'll work through plenty of exercises to make sure you're fully confident and ready to face any exam. Here's the best part, we'll be speaking to you in two languages, English and Tamil. Since Tamil is my native language, I'm especially excited to help my Tamil-speaking brothers and sisters. But if you're from any part of the world and want to understand the beauty of science, don't worry, we'll make sure you can follow along too. By using both languages, we're not just making learning more accessible, but we're creating a community where language isn't a barrier, where understanding is the only thing that matters. Whether you need more clarity in English or prefer to hear things in Tamil, you'll always feel at home here. So, we want you to be part of this journey. Ask questions, leave comments, share your doubts. I'll be here to guide you every step of the way. Together, we'll break down every wall that stands between you and your success. Why are you still waiting? If you're ready to unlock the secrets of the universe through science and math, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey.